got internet personas.
Hey guys, and welcome to the Razer Kraken 7.1 V2 unboxing. This is my new headphones, my new gaming headphones that I have been wanting for a while, since I have been using the Skullcandy Slayers for about 4 to 5 years now. Now in the unboxing process, the Razer Kraken Pro 7.1 V2 headphones are right out of the box, so it's pretty simple and pretty straightforward. Inside of the box is pretty minimal. All it comes with is the headphones and the USB wire attached to it, and that is basically it. Now, unlike most headphones, the actual wire itself is made out of a fiber encasing, so it isn't like any other usual wire that you would get from a gaming headset. It does have a USB digital connector, and it actually had a little case on it when it came out of the box. And it also has 50mm drivers inside of it, as well as some RGB lighting outside of the ear cups themselves. The headset also comes with a retractable microphone if you are willing to use that one. And now it's time to try out the headset mic itself. So as you guys can hear right now, I am using the microphone from the Razer Kraken Pro 7.1 V2 headset itself, and the mic is actually not that bad. It's pretty decent for a gaming headset mic, and it's really mostly used, you would mostly use this one for gaming if, let's say, you need to talk over voice chat, or maybe if you just need to talk to someone over Discord. It's not necessarily the best for recording or streaming, but I mean, it is somewhat decent, and it holds up to its $65 to $100 price tag standard. I do use the Blue Snowball Ice, as you guys saw in my last video, so that is the mic that I am actually using. And if you are looking for a more professional usage mic, I would go for any type of mic that is similar to this one, to the Blue Snowball Ice, or you could go for a Blue Yeti or anything along those lines if you are looking for a mic that has more professional usage to its standards. But yeah, that is basically going to be the mic test for this video, and that is going to be my unboxing of the Razer Kraken Pro 7.1 V2. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this video, and if you did, don't forget to leave a like. Also subscribe and turn on post notifications. Follow my social media down in the description below. I'll leave all those links there, and yeah, I'll see you guys all next video. Bye.